YouTube? It's your boy Mass Money, and we got him, man. We got this guy landed, red-handed, man. I'm tired of this guy's crap, bro. I wasn't gonna make any more videos or comment anymore on the matter of the subject with his Discord, but dude had the nerve to come in here with the fake account, bro, and then deleted the comments. But lucky for me, I screenshot and saved everything for evidence, man. So let's get into it, dude. So basically, you see how this guy right here is a purple old man, right? So we got one comment. The other comments got deleted. So you see right here, he says, "Oh, that's the thing. He could be only making $100 a day. Doesn't matter. The move we catch in the market is real. The levels, zones are real. What we teach is all that." So basically, that's his landlord trying to pretend like he's someone in the group, trying to like say positive things about the group, but it's actually a landlord. I'm going to show you proof. So here it is right here. I had screenshotted it. Very small. I'm going to see if I can blow it up. Let's see. So the other comment, he's like something about some, not a mod, just a regular guy that joined. You ain't no regular, you're all a landlord, bro. Like, read the comment out there. I ain't gonna read all that stuff. When you get down here, he goes, "Oh, we had a good laugh at the whole thing. No one sending any armies. No one in Discord cares enough. No one in Discord cares, but yet you out here commented and like I'm living rent free in your head. You got take the time out of your day to not only send traffic to my videos. Thank you, help me out. And then you could put no one in Discord cares enough. The only reason that I care is for people to do research on Discord that comes across misinformation. You know misinformation, bro. Bro, everybody's talking about you, man. All the forums, everything, man. Dude, if you're gonna do this stuff, you gotta be like honest. You gotta show your profits and loss. You gotta show are you making this 20K in a day? You're doing 10,000 a day. Show proof. You don't do nothing. You just hide behind a little screen and you ignore people and you block comments and stuff, bro. Like I ain't just picking on you just to mess with you, dude. Like you ain't right. You know it, man. Like things don't go your way, man. You just like I never been in the Discord. Like he'll get mad at somebody. Like he'll kick someone out of the group and he just start crying about the person. He'll spend like fucking 2 hours in there talking bad about the person, dude. Like whatever, you kick the person out, whatever. Well, what are you gonna tell? No one cares. People in the Discord to make money. They don't want to hear you cry about another member or something in there. Like, and you don't even tell the truth of what happened. You know, but you know, if you go through and read the comment, bro, he's like talking as if he's like it's Leonard himself because the experience he puts in this comment, it's Leonard because I don't talk to anybody in that Discord, so who would talk to me personally like this? Oh, I don't have any experience in the market. What are you talking about, dude? You must know me. Like, come on, you're Leonard, bro. So, and also, why would you go back and delete the comment? Like, see, like even here, this other guy comments. This other guy probably had a Leonard's Discord. He said, "You waste money in the subs," but see, the guy he thinks that's a different person, which is really actually Leonard. So knows he always blocks and deletes the comments ASAP, dude. I was on the Discord and someone said something and the comment got deleted so fast. I swear to God, I thought the guy had a bot. I was like, dude, you have a bot that blocks comments? Dude he never said nothing, man. He just ignored me, man. Like why would you want to trust somebody like this that does like this? Like, be real, dude. Make a video and clear this stuff up, man. Because like, he already know I'm not going away. This stuff will be here for years and years. As long as he's got his little grift going on, it's going to be up. So, I'm telling you, man. You gotta do better than this, dude. It's not right, man. Like, you know, I got nothing against you personally, but like, you got people in your Discord, the little admins, that just kiss your ass and those guys, they talk so much crap. Like when I was in there, I was like, man, can this guy shut up? Focus on the trade. They don't focus on the trade. They talk about their whole life and all this crap. Nobody cares how much what you guys make or nothing. Especially not showing them screenshots of proof or nothing. So like, why keep bragging about stuff? Focus on the trade. Tell us the reason why this trade doesn't work out. Why nothing. But I'm telling you, man, this guy keep messing with me. I want to keep going hard on these videos, man. This is it for now. But he comes back and he sends his little stupid armies to comment and stuff. I'm gonna block their ass too. But I'm telling you, man, it's a wrap for this guy, man. Just come clean, man. Come clean and save face, dude. That's all I'm saying, man. It's everybody wants, man. You know, you need to start showing proof that you know you're making all these trains, man. Every time someone comments about that, their comment gets deleted or suppressed. Why are you suppressing people, man? Don't like this kid. I'm telling you, man. That's it for now, man. Go ahead, like, subscribe, leave a hate comment, like, comment. I don't care, man. YouTube's not my day job, bro. I got my own hustle, bro. That's it.